In this video we're going to be checking out the top 4 best recurve bows in this year. I made this list based on products' features, online popularity, consumers' reviews, brand reputation, prices and more. I've included options for every type of consumer. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 1. KESHES Takedown Hunting Recurve Bow and Arrow. Here is a bow that is perfect for families. For those families who like doing activities like shooting together, the KESHES bow is a good fit for them. Its bow and draw length comes in different sizes. These sizes include your children's size. This makes it the best bow for families. This is also a takedown bow. This feature allows you to either increase or decrease the weight. It also saves you the expense of having to buy a full-size bow anytime you need an upgrade. It has options for the drawback weight ranging from 15 to 55 pounds. It allows you to choose the weight that won't tire you out. The bow has also been designed in a way that can withstand any kind of poundage, low or high. It is also lightweight, which makes it easy for you to use it for a long time. It also has a comfortable bow and it is also beautiful to look at and to hold. Enjoying archery with your family has been made a lot easier. The KESHES bow was designed to fit all kinds of people. It is also lightweight, which fits children better. It also comes with detailed instructions. This makes it easy to assemble even for people who have no knowledge. What we liked, easy to put together, with detailed instructions, comes in different sizes for all family members, removable limbs for easy customization, lightweight design comes with a good satisfaction policy. Number 2. Top Archery 56-inch Takedown Hunting Recurve Bow Metal Riser Right-Hand Black Longbow. Are you looking for a great hunting bow that is comfortable to use? Well, turn to the Top Archery bow. It is made from aluminum alloy. This makes it long-lasting and durable. The material also allows you to use the bow in heavy work without breaking apart. You can purchase limbs from a different supplier. This is because this is a takedown bow. It allows you to get the weight of the limbs that can either increase or decrease the weight. This important feature allows you to function even better with the weight that suits you. You can also share this with friends and/or family. The bow is also great for use with beginners. This is made possible with the removable limbs. Beginners can start with lighter weight limbs and graduate from there. The bow shoots fast, so you can take it out hunting or even bow fishing. Good bows are hard to come by, let alone inexpensive ones. The Top Archery bow comes at a good price for anyone on a budget. The low price doesn't make it any less effective. This bow will give you top-grade performance, good for hunting and for beginners. You should get this bow regardless of whether you are a beginner or experienced. It also comes at a good price. What we liked, durable and strong material, can be used for hunting, archery and bow fishing, has the largest draw length, fast, sturdy and accurate build, inexpensive, and really great at the price, has threaded holes for holding accessories. Number 3. Samick Sage Takedown Recurve Bow. The Samick Sage has won over many beginning recurve archers and has proved to be one of the greats at this end of the market. Fully capable of punching paper and a killer out in the woods as well, it's probably one of the best known beginner bows around. Specifications: 3-piece takedown system, length 62 inches, available in right and left-handed models. Draw weight between 30 pounds and 55 pounds in 5-pound increments. Samick went through a rocky patch for a couple of years when they pulled out of the recreational/hunting bow market, but the Sage didn't go away. Instead, its designers continued making the bow under the manufacturer name Galaxy and distributed through Lancaster Archery Supply. The Sage just won't go away though, and recently Samick reinstated this little winner in its new, albeit much shorter line of hunting and recreational recurves. Pros: affordable quality, proven performer. Interchangeable limbs mean you can start at a low poundage and work up. Cons: requires simple modification to shoot off the shelf. Complicated manufacturing history raises questions about future availability and support. Whether it's labeled a Samick or a Galaxy, it's an all-round great bow. That being said, any other Samick hunting bow will perform admirably if you can find one. Buy it if you're looking for reliability and proven performance in an affordable package. If you want to get started in recurve shooting, you can afford a Sage. Number 4. Bear Archery Grizzly Arco Recurvo para mano derecha. Since 1964, the Bear Grizzly recurve has remained unchanged. That suggests that it must have done something right. As a one-piece recurve, it maintains lightweight and simple lines for elegance and performance. It's relatively short at 58 inches, adding to the bow's versatility. Specifications: one-piece construction, length 58 inches, available in right and left-handed models. Draw weight between 30 pounds and 50 pounds in 5-pound increments, leather side plate and bear hair arrow rest. The Grizzly is a hunting bow, and it comes ready for the task. The bow is designed to shoot off the shelf and comes set up with a rug rest and leather side plate, so all you need do is string it up and start shooting. Pros: time-proven design, affordable mid-range bow, classic looks, comes ready to shoot off the shelf. Cons: one-piece construction difficult to travel with. Bear archery equipment has a long-standing reputation that can't be ignored. Fred Bear shot recurves, and the designs he created were made to shoot and shoot well. Buy a Grizzly if you want an affordable bow that is real quality. It may well be the only bow you ever need.